Unveil the transformative power of breath in this enlightening journey. You will master both ancient and contemporary techniques that will elevate your vitality and connect you with profound inner peace. This video is more than just a guide. It's a game changer, inviting you to explore the depths of your breath and spirit. Discover the secrets to unlocking your full potential. Did you know that you're probably not breathing the right way? Most people, including yourself, might only be using a fraction of their total lung capacity. This simple act, vital for life, could be limiting your experience more than you realize. Have you ever wondered how much of your lung capacity you actually use while breathing? And what if I told you that most individuals only engage a third of their breathing potential? The answer is quite revealing. By not practicing deep and controlled breathing techniques, you not only reduce your body's physical efficiency, but also deprive your spirit of an essential source of nourishment. Breathing isn't just a physical process, it's an intimate connection with our innermost essence. Each breath you draw holds the possibility for greater awareness, and every exhale can purge physical and emotional toxins. This is why ancient disciplines such as Kaya Yoga and Taoism have long highlighted the significance of mindful breathing. If you find value in this insight and wish to explore further, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support is key to our ongoing journey of sharing transformative knowledge. Join us and become a part of our growing community. In Kaya Yoga, mindful, deep breathing is taught not only to rejuvenate the body, but to accelerate spiritual growth. Deep breaths activate the flow of prana, or life force energy, up your spine and into your brain, awakening energy centers that foster heightened states of awareness. Taoist masters offer a similar perspective with distinct methods. In Qigong, a practice of moving meditation, breathing from the dantian, an energy center in the abdomen, is essential. This technique not only enhances lung capacity, but connects practitioners to a profound, subtle source of energy rarely experienced by most. Modern science is beginning to back what these ancient traditions have known for millennia. Studies show that diaphragmatic breathing significantly boosts oxygen levels in the bloodstream, enhancing not just physical health, but also mental clarity and emotional balance. When you breathe deeply, you aren't just filling your lungs. You are nourishing every cell in your body and providing your mind with the fuel it needs to reach its highest potential. So, step away from shallow breaths. Start exploring the depths of your breathing and unlock the vast potential within this simple yet powerful act. Many people today face chronic fatigue, a direct result of breathing with only a third of their lung capacity, as we previously discussed. This shallow breathing can be likened to fueling a high-performance engine with low-grade fuel, never allowing it to reach its full potential. If you are prepared to commit to a lifelong practice of mindful breathing, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. This way, you'll receive reminders to stay consistent with this practice while supporting us in spreading valuable insights. Now, let me guide you through something even deeper. Breathing can shift your state of awareness and focus, fundamentally transforming who you are. In Kriya Yoga, a key technique involves focusing on your breath while mentally resonating the sound Om. This mystical mantra practice calms the mind and elevates consciousness. Try this with me. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, mentally chant Om. Repeat this process. Each exhale not only empties your lungs, but connects you more deeply with the spiritual plane. Before continuing this practice rhythmically for 15 minutes, know that advanced Kriya Yoga techniques guide the breath through specific centers in the spine and energy pathways in the body, far beyond simple visualization. This method channels energy and awakens the dormant capabilities of your soul. Taoists have similar practices, one of the most powerful being the microcosmic orbit meditation. This method uses breath and visualization to circulate qi through the body's main energy channels, balancing your system and elevating your awareness along the way. After exhaling, take a significant pause. Many breathing techniques in yoga emphasize this moment for a good reason. It allows for a more effective exchange of CO2 in the lungs and creates a mystical silence. Try this now. Inhale deeply, exhale completely, and hold your breath. Feel the stillness. That silence is the space between breaths, the void, the source of all creation. Slow, paced breathing, with just 5 or 6 cycles per minute, has been shown to optimize heart rate variability. This practice not only benefits your physical health, but enhances the body's autonomic functions as well. I hope you're enjoying this content and finding valuable insights. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to ensure you don't miss out on our future explorations. Also, don't forget to check out the ebook Divine Essence, Rediscovering the Inner Self and Spiritual Peace, available through the link in the description. It's an incredible tool for deepening your knowledge and personal transformation. Your support helps us bring more content like this. Let me guide you once more. Inhale slowly while counting to 5 and exhale in the same manner. Maintain this rhythm and observe how each breath harmonizes and uplifts your overall state. This cadence aligns every part of your being with higher vibrations. Consider the 4-7-8 breathing technique of pranayama, which involves inhaling for 4 seconds, holding the breath for 7, and exhaling for 8. Join me in practicing this deeply revitalizing method. When applied correctly, this technique can be transformative, enhancing your body's ability to relax and improving the flow of prana. In doing so, you strengthen your spirit and reshape your physiology, altering your level of consciousness with each breath. A consistent commitment to mindful breathing extends beyond moments of stress or meditation. It is a fundamental tool for reshaping your consciousness from its core. Incorporating mindful breathing into your daily routine does more than shift your mood or concentration. It evolves your entire being. Share your experiences in the comments if you followed along with this process. Exploring further, breathing is an instrument of energetic alchemy, a way to transform energy using proper breathwork methods. This practice is a form of internal magic, utilizing ancient techniques for both spiritual and physical refinement. In Taoism, the technique of embryonic breathing focuses on subtle internal breaths rather than deep inhalations, cultivating essential qi for soul growth. Mastering this method signifies an energetic rebirth. The 6 healing sounds of Taoism use specific tones during exhalation to expel negative emotions stored in the organs, each sound resonating at a particular frequency, clearing stagnant energies and aiding the healing process. In Kaya Yoga, the Mahamudra practice combines breath retention with specific postures to direct vital energy flow. This practice not only works with the physical body, but sculpts the energetic body, the aura that surrounds us. Each breath hold becomes an opportunity to redirect and refine our vital energy, reshaping our aura. I discovered an ancient Kundalini technique known as breath of fire, which catalyzed my first astral projection. This method involves rapid inhalations and exhalations performed using the diaphragm. This technique functions as a complete system reset. During my initial practice, I experienced a clear distinction between my spiritual self and my physical body, always maintaining control to safely reintegrate back into my physical form. Let's try this practice together now. Sit with your spine straight, either in a chair or on the floor with crossed legs. Begin by forcefully exhaling through your nose and contracting your abdomen. The inhalation should occur spontaneously without effort. Continue this process with strong exhalations, aiming for a pace of 2 to 3 breath cycles per second. Focus your attention on the powerful exhalations and allow the inhalations to happen naturally. As you perform this exercise, you'll notice a rising warmth in your energy center. This internal heat is crucial for dissolving energetic blockages and revitalizing your system with fresh prana. Start with a duration of 30 seconds, and as you become more comfortable, gradually increase to between 1 and 3 minutes. It's normal to feel a tingling or a lightness during the exercise, which indicates that energy is flowing properly. If you experience any discomfort, return to normal breathing and try again later. Ensure that you focus on your abdomen and avoid tension in your chest and throat. To conclude, take a deep breath, hold it briefly, and exhale slowly. Remain still and feel the clarity and energy that unfold. You will find yourself more alert and aware. The breath of fire goes beyond being a mere physical exercise. It is a comprehensive purification technique that works from the cellular to the astral level. These breathwork practices mark the beginning of a profound transformational journey. If you already practice similar techniques, integrate this method as an additional tool in your spiritual development. Conscious breathing holds the power to profoundly alter your awareness and, as a result, transform your life. Breathing goes beyond the simple exchange of air. It is the manipulation of prana, of qi, the essence of the soul. Each breath is an exchange with the cosmos, an opportunity to absorb new energy and release the old. By breathing with full awareness, you not only oxygenate your blood, but also nourish your spirit and enrich your soul. Make each inhale and exhale a deliberate act of personal transformation. By changing the rhythm of your breath, you reshape your entire life. This shift not only redefines who you are, but also holds the power to influence the environment around you. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery and transformation. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more explorations like this. Don't miss our next video, where we'll continue to dive deeper into techniques that can further enrich your spiritual and personal life. Click on the video appearing on the screen now to keep learning and growing with us.